Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Have you ever ordered stuff online? How exciting was the feeling when all the products were delivered at your doorstep and you paid for them cash on delivery? That has been my feeling and experience with Jumia. And by the way, if you've not watched my other videos on the ordering process, please watch it on the link below in the description box. How to shop online via Jumia. Here are the products that I ordered online. Today is the unboxing day. Make sure you stick with me to the end of the video. This is my experience with Jumia. I came here in Jumia, Kenya, and I put the following goods in my cart. One duvet blanket, which was going for 2,200, 20 bottles of Heineken, Mocha TV 55-inch, extension cable, black fluffy carpet, and a flash disk, and a wall mount. Jumia as my online shopping mall, been very reliable. This is the status. Once they bring the goods to your home, the order will be reading delivered, the extension cable, the sugar, and the Heineken. These are all the products. Okay, this is my unboxing day. These were the products that I ordered. This is a flash disk. It's a very smart flash disk worth 16 GB. I'll be using it to fix to my wall mount. This is a big machine. Yeah? Here we are, 55-inch Mocha TV. It has, these are the features. It's an Android built. It has sound chamber, 3 HDMI. It's 2160 megapixels. So okay, these are the products. Today's unboxing day for sure. It will be very awesome for me. Then next is a flash. I ordered a mouse. Then after that I ordered a sugar. It was only 20 bob for 2 kgs. Jumia Kenya was wonderful. The next thing was black fluffy carpet. Black fluffy carpet was only 3,050 bob. Heineken was awesome with 1,000 Kenya shillings. They delivered me the 20 bottles. It was Jumia anniversary sales. Make sure you don't miss it in the time. Come to my room, I'll share you the drink. The other thing was to welcome my girls. I bought a duvet blanket, very warm, and life will be cool. I think Jumia Kenya has really made things awesome. Mocha was in a very favorable price at 41,400, and they delivered to me. 55-inch was a smart deal. Here are the receipts. We can see flash disk was at the flash disk was at 360 shillings. A Heineken bottle, you can see evidence it's 1,000 Kenya shillings. We have wall mount for the TV was at 899 shillings. We can see this is the receipt of the instant shower. It was at 1,400. Sugar 2 kg. Here it is 20 bob. It was 20 bob. One duvet and one pillow and one bed sheet at 2,200. And we have a black fluffy carpet at 3,050 shillings. And we have extension cable at 4,086 shillings. And lastly, we have a mouse with 201. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video. Make sure next time you shop with Jumia Kenya, it was a good feeling. Make sure in the description box you'll see my other links to how to order a product online, and it is a very guided tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. subscribe, like, share and comment.